Welcome to another relaxing and pleasurable hypnosis experience. In this session, we'll practice going to trance. You can use this audio to become extremely relaxed, help you sleep, or enhance the effectiveness of suggestions from other audios. Each time you return to this audio, entering a trance will become easier and its effects will become greater. Just avoid driving or operating dangerous tools for the next hour. To begin, find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Ensure you are in a quiet, safe place without distractions. You can use headphones or speakers. Any option works as long you can hear me clearly. Remember to silence your phone notifications to focus entirely on this experience. Relax. Not because I'm telling you to, but because you want and need it right now. My goal is for you to live this experience full of joy and happiness, with your body and mind free of tension and stress. Follow my voice or repeat my words if you prefer. I'll guide you to the state of trance you desire. With your eyes open and comfortably settled, take 3 slow deep breaths. With each breath will help you relax more deeply. As you inhale, you will feel relaxation and joy filling your body. And then, as you exhale, release stress and tension. Let's begin with your first deep breath. Inhale happiness and joy. Exhale stress and tension. Now take a second breath, inhaling relaxation and calm, exhaling discomfort. Finally, your third breath. Inhale deeply, filling your body with positive thoughts. Then exhale, releasing all limitations as you gently close your eyes. You're doing great. Now, let's deepen your relaxation. Focus on your eyelids. Feel every muscle around them and let them completely relax. Imagine turning off every muscle so they can't open. Once you're sure your eyelids are completely relaxed, try to open them, but they will remain shut. The more you try, the more they stay closed, completely turned off. Good. Stop trying now. Spread this relaxation from your eyelids throughout your entire body. Begin with your forehead and scalp. then your face. Let the relaxation flow down your neck into your shoulders, arms, and hands. Feel it spread into your chest, abdomen, pelvis, and thighs, reaching your legs, ankles, feet, and toes. Your body is even more relaxed. Now, I will ask you to open and close your eyes 3 times with your vision unfocused. Each time you do, you will go deeper into a trance, relaxing your body even more. We can start now. Open your eyes, close your eyes, and go deeper. Again, open your eyes, close your eyes, and relax further. One last time. Open your eyes, close your eyes, and completely relax. Your body is very relaxed, but now we need to relax your mind, slowing down and making your thoughts harder to process. To do this, I will count from 100 to 1. As the numbers decrease, your mind will become more relaxed. By the time you reach the number 97, your mind will be so relaxed that will be too much effort to continue. Trying to think will make you so lazy. Let's start together. 100, 99, going deeper. 98, numbers fading away. 97, and your mind's too tired to continue. You even forgot what you were doing. You did a wonderful job. Now, I'll give you a gift. Whenever I count to 3 and say the word sleep, you will close your eyes and return to this relaxed state. Every time I count to 3 and say the word sleep, you will come back into a deeper trance. This state is so nice and enjoyable. Each time I count to 3 and say sleep, you will feel even more relaxed and more rested, just like you had a long massage session. Let's try opening your eye first. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Is everything alright? Notice how you feel. Are you wonderfully relaxed? Good. You are doing so great, and I'm proud you reached this point. Ready? Now, 1, 2, 3, sleep. Going down into a trance even deeper. It's so good to experience this, isn't it? Again, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Feeling happy, feeling great. Let your good feelings flow throughout your body. 1, 2, 3, sleep. You get so much joy from this. Hearing my voice is so soothing to you, it brings you easily into a trance state. The more you hear me, the deeper your trance gets. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, sleep. So deep, so relaxed. You did really well. With this exercise, you're more susceptible to suggestions. So, after the count of 5, you'll be ready to listen to another audio, sleep, or continue with your day feeling great bliss and gratitude. At the end of the count of 5, you feel immense joy and satisfaction about the beautiful being you are. Slowly coming back. 1, 2, feeling happy. 3, becoming aware of your surroundings. 4, feeling confident. 5, open your eyes and you're incredibly relaxed. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again soon.